What's up, you guys? Welcome back to my channel. My name is Dee. If you guys are new here, deeonnarachelle. All of my social media is going to be somewhere on the screen, probably on the bottom, as well as in the description box. So be sure to follow me on social media, because I know y'all be watching my videos and not following me, or the only people who watch me are the people who actually know me. So today I'm actually going to do a really fun video. I'm going to be talking about iOS 14. I know, shocking. It's not a makeup video. So Apple just had their fall event, whatever that keynote thing is. I watch that thing every year just to see what the new iPhones are gonna look like. There's no new iPhone this year yet, which is unfortunate. I mean, I just got this one, so whatever. I always watch just to see the new software and all the other new products that they're launching or whatever for the fall. And I was really excited about iOS 14. I heard, we all knew about iOS 14 over the summer. I saw a whole bunch of concept videos on YouTube, but I kind of always just wait to see what it's gonna look like when it comes out. But iOS 14 is the shit. Apple really is answering our prayer. Trust me when I tell you, after you watch this video, if you haven't downloaded already, you are going to update your phone today. So first I'm gonna do like a what's on my iPhone kind of thing. And show you all of the different features that iOS 14 has that I know of, at least. So yeah, so I'm gonna screen record my phone. Okay, so I'm pretty sure it's different from when you guys saw it last time my what's on my iPhone video, but this wallpaper is from Pinterest. I'll link it down below if anyone wants to use it. But when I unlock my phone, this is what I see, and clearly you can see that there's a couple of new things here. Oh, and by the way, I still have my case to find case. This is just I don't know. I have another one. I have two other cases, and I always come back to this, and I think it's because of the color, but I'm gonna link this down below as well. So on my home page, you can see I have the date and the time on the top. I have my messages, my calendar, weather, photos, camera, podcasts, app store. 7shifts is an app that I use to see my work schedule. And then I have Snapchat, if you wanna follow me on Snapchat. Okay, right. Yay, this is my snap code in case you wanna put your phone over there. So that's that. And then I have Instagram. If you wanna follow me on Instagram, please don't hesitate. This is my gram. I came back to the gram. I never really post Instagram photos like that just because I hate taking pictures of myself. I just don't like it. I don't know why, but I am trying, okay? I'm trying. But this is my Instagram if you wanna follow me. We love. And then I have Twitter. I'm gonna show you guys my Twitter profile. So this is my Twitter account. She's beautiful. I'm very funny on Twitter, so just follow me if you want a good laugh. And then I also have the YouTube app, and then on the bottom I have my phone, mail. I know I need to go through my emails. I'm completely aware, I just haven't. And I have Safari and Apple Music. Apple Music changed just a little bit. We'll get into that in a second, but yeah, it's cute. And then we scroll over, and then I have a picture of me and my boyfriend. And then I have TikTok. It's not getting banned, thank you God. Literally everyone I know, if you know me, you know that I'm literally on TikTok all day, every day, and all my friends will be like, so what are you gonna do when TikTok's banned? I'm like, literally shut the f up. Then I also have Clue. Clue is the best period app you will ever download in your life. If you are a girl and you are using a period tracker that's not Clue, you need to delete that. Go to the app store, download Clue, and then start using that, because Clue is literally the most accurate period tracker I've ever tried in my life. I've tried so many. I also have Pinterest. If you wanna follow me on Pinterest, how do I see? I mean, I guess. Okay. Then I have Tumblr. I'm never gonna delete this app. This is a really good time passing app for me. I have YouTube Studio, which just shows me stats about my videos and stuff. And then I have Finance, which is just my bank apps and Cash App. And then I have Shopping, and in this folder I have Pink Nation. This hasn't changed at all. Pink Nation, Sephora, Ulta, eBay, Amazon, Pretty Little Thing, Fashion Nova, Victoria's Secret, American Eagle, and then I have Etsy, Boohoo, Misguided, Nordstrom, Kylie, and then Urban Outfitters. And then I also have, I don't know if I had this folder the last time I did this video, but I have a photo and video app for just mainly photo editing stuff and like Instagram stories. But I have Facetune, Lightroom, StoryArt, Unfold, and InstaSquareFit. Yeah, and then I have food. I think I've added a couple things since the last time I did this video too. I have Uber Eats, Grubhub, Starbucks, Dunkin', Panera, and then I have McDonald's. If you haven't tried the McDonald's spicy nuggets, I highly recommend you do. Nothing compares to Wendy's spicy nuggets. Trust me, like Wendy's is top 2 and it's not 2, but McDonald's I think takes second place because those nuggets are really, really good, okay? With ranch, without ranch, with that mighty sauce, without that mighty sauce, those nuggets are mad good, so please go try. And then I have DoorDash. And then in my, I don't know folder, I'm just calling it that because this is the emoji I use because I don't know what to call this. I have Shazam, Indeed, Facebook, and then I have Messenger because for whatever reason you can't have just the Facebook app and see your messages. You have to have the Messenger app to see your Facebook messages, whatever. And then I have Daily Horoscope. I look at that every single day. CoStar, I look at that every single day. The Pattern, I also look at every single day. It's horoscope stuff. If you're into astrology, you really like those apps, especially the Pattern. And then I have Lyft, Uber, and I scroll over, and then I have TurboTax, boring. Vellum, which is a background app that I never really use. I do use sometimes. I've downloaded maybe like 2 or 3 background photos from that app, but I don't know, it's whatever. And then I have Gmail, and then I have color widgets and Widgetsmith, which I'm gonna get into in a second. Then we go to games. Yes, I got games on my phone. I have word search, the most random games ever, but like they're fun, whatever. I have word search, Family Guy. That's a really fun game if you liked Candy Crush and you're trying to stop playing Candy Crush. Family Guy is a really good game. I have Burger Shop 2, SpongeBob, this like cooking game, soap cutting, which is really satisfying and it calms me down. And then I have Uno, which is really, really fun. And Disney Plus, I'm never gonna delete this app ever in my life. But I watch it more on TV than I do on my phone, to be honest. And then we have the Translate app, which we're gonna get into in a second, but this is, I cannot wait to go to the nail salon. Then I have, you scroll over, I actually added these last 3 apps to this page. But I have extra, which is just all of these stuff that I do not use. Literally, I don't use any of these apps, any of them. You have to have Bitmoji for Snapchat, whatever, but I don't use any of the other ones. Then we have settings, maps, and notes, which I just moved over here because it just wasn't working out with my layout on the front, and I was perfectly fine with leaving it over here. So now we're gonna get into the really, really cool iOS stuff. First off, I'm gonna show you guys messages. So in messages, you are able to pin conversations now, which is really, really cool. So basically I put the people that I literally talk to every single day on the top, but you can have up to 9 people, I believe. And it just makes it easier. I never have to scroll for these people. I never, you know, they're always just right here. Also in group chats, you can reply to specific messages in a group chat. So I'm in my group chat right now with my two of my best friends, Destiny and Carly. And if I hold on to Destiny's message, I can reply to it and specifically talk about what she said right here. I'm not gonna show it because I don't, you feel me? Another update they have is with Memoji. Memojis can have masks now. So, oh my God, that's my boyfriend's Memoji. Okay, this is me. This is me, we love her. And so I'm gonna edit. And there's a whole bunch of new hairstyles too, they said. But if you scroll over, would it be in headwear? I know okay, yes, okay, so they can have facial coverings, so you can put a mask on your Memoji. How cute is that? Oh my God, we love. So you can have like a little texture or a plain one. I like green, that's cute. Or she can have no mask. I love Memoji, it's so fun to play with. The next thing is in, I don't wanna show the maps thing because it's gonna show my location. I know you can look for cycling directions in maps now. Next thing I'm gonna talk about is widgets. So that's these huge apps that you see on the screen right here and right here. These are widgets. So basically you can have your widgets show up as bigger icons on your home screen. So to do that, basically you're gonna hold your home screen down. Just hold on to it, and then you're gonna see this. Now, for this weather one, I did just so I don't have to open the weather app if I don't want to. I can see, you know, what the degrees is for the day, what the high is, what the low is, whatever. And then with the top one that you see that says Sunday, the time, my battery, and the date, I used, thank you TikTok for this. I actually got this from TikTok. So you're gonna, okay, I'm gonna hit done. But I'm gonna go to, so you can either use Color Widgets or Widgetsmith. For this one in particular, the huge one that says the black one on it, I went to Color Widgets. So you can download Color Widgets in the App Store. You can just choose whichever one, and you can just scroll and just see all of these different options that they have. But I, you know, just click on whatever, and then I chose the font that I wanted. So you could change the font. You can, I just want to keep it like that. You can also change the theme if you don't use a picture. And then you pick the background image if you want the background image, and then you hit set widget. And then the other app is Widgetsmith. So with Widgetsmith, you can customize all these different size widgets. So you can have this like longer one, kind of like the one on my home screen, but it's laid out a little differently. But the way you edit it is you just tap on it. And it shows you all of the different types of like widget styles that you can have, the style, the theme, whatever you want to call it. You can have it as a photo. Instead, I know I've seen a whole bunch of TikTok videos of people like making a whole aesthetic out of these widgets, and it's really, really cool. I just don't have the time or patience to do that. But yeah, you can choose all these different types of layouts, and then you can choose the font. You can choose the tint color, so whatever color you want it to be, and the background color. Cute, we love, we stand. And then you're just gonna save it, and you can name it if you want. So you can just, you know, you can put like home screen, widget, whatever, save it, whatever. And then to put it on your screen, what you're gonna do is hold the home screen again. You're gonna click on the plus sign, and then you're gonna go to the app that you want to get it from. So I got my bigger one from Color Widgets, and then I just tapped on the one that I wanted, and then you hit add widget, and then it shows up on the screen. So, and you just move it to wherever you want. Like I can put it, I can move it over, I can put it on whatever screen that I want to put it on. For this one, for the picture of Tim and I went to Widgetsmith, and then I just chose a small widget and put selected photo, and then you choose a photo, and then you do the same thing. You save it, and then you just add it onto your home screen. Okay, so another update is that when someone calls you, it's not gonna take up your whole screen anymore. So I texted my boyfriend and told him to call me, and I know he read my message, so let's see how long he takes to call me.
3 days later.
So basically, I guess it doesn't let me screen record while someone's calling me. But basically, when someone's calling you, it's not gonna take up the whole screen anymore. So you're able to keep scrolling on your phone and ignore those calls, because you know you be doing it. I know I be doing it. And then also, if you FaceTime someone, you're able to just like swipe up and put the like image of the other person in the corner of the screen, so you can still FaceTime while you're scrolling through your apps as well. So another iOS feature is the Translate app. So I'm gonna hit the Translate app, and you're able to basically understand another language by tapping on the microphone and putting it from English to Spanish or from Spanish to English. I'll do English to Spanish and just show you guys. Hi, my name is Diana. I'm 25 years old and I live in New York.
Hola, me llamo Diana. Tengo 25 años y vivo en Nueva York.
I'm the 25 years old. Okay, whatever. Anyway, you get the deal. So when you guys go to the nail salon, it's on and popping. Another thing is the app library. If you go, so this is like my very last screen. If you keep scrolling past your last screen of apps, you have the app library, so you're able to like search any apps that you want to go on, which I mean, I don't know why. I mean, not that this isn't useful, I just don't really know if I would use it that much. But if you're someone that has a bunch of apps on their phone, this is probably very useful for you. Because I know a lot of people, one of my best friends actually, she has pages and pages and pages and pages and pages of apps because her son like plays games on her phone. I mean, I do see it being useful for those types of people that have like a ton of apps, but for me, I probably won't use it that much. So yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. That was all of the iOS features that at least I know of and know how to use and function well. But please be sure to subscribe. Please subscribe to this channel if you want to see more videos. I'm definitely going to try to be posting a lot more. I'm going to try to vlog a lot more for you guys because I know a couple of people, you know, told me that they kind of like my vlog. So I was like, oh my god, thanks. Comment down below what your favorite iOS feature is on the new update. Please don't forget to follow me on Instagram, Twitter, Snapchat, TikTok, all of those apps. Thank you guys so much for watching and be sure to stay tuned for my next video. Bye.